Well, it's that time again where we have a balcony catch up, because I'm going to call it from now on. It's the nicest place and the most peaceful place for me to have a chat with you guys. So, for those of you who are new here and just tuned in for the first time, we are in Jamaica, Runaway Bay, at the Bahia Principe, and I'm on the luxury side. So I'll give you a lowdown on this hotel. So it's about 56 kilometres from Montego Bay. It takes just over an hour on the coach, depending on how many drop-offs you have. Or you could have private transfers if you feel like splashing the cash. It consists of about 525 rooms and 2 hotels. So on that far side is the Grand, and that is the older one of the hotels and the biggest one. Apparently it's got the biggest pool in Jamaica, or the longest, and that, the Grand side, is for literally everyone, from singles, couples and groups of people, but mainly for children. It's got a great water park right on the biggish beach that we've got, loads of entertainment, early dinner for the kids so they can get off to bed early. It's absolutely great. And then on the luxury side, which is our side, that is strictly 18s and over, so adults only. So none of the little sweethearts are screaming around. Equally as beautiful. The difference between this hotel and that hotel is we can then go across there and take advantage of all the facilities, but obviously if you're stopping at the Grand, you can't come over here. The rooms, I'd imagine, are pretty much the same. The big difference is here at the luxury one, we have a personal butler, which I've probably spoke about before, and he does everything for you, and they are ringing us up every other day, knocking on the door, making sure it stays perfect as it can be. And up to now, touch wood, but there's no wood around, there you go, it has been fantastic. Yeah, the staff, I've said it earlier in previous when I was down on beach, are wonderful. Absolutely love them. We're from the UK, so we're not a tipping culture, basically. But tip them a couple of dollars. We've had it where we've tipped a couple of dollars, and then another time we forgot. We've had exactly the same service, so yeah, forget what they say about how you get better service the more you tip. And it may help in some places, but they work hard, so give them the respect where respect's due. Anyway, so this morning, it's still a nice day. I'm keeping an eye on the weather forecast, so there may be an hurricane on the way early next week. Fingers crossed that there isn't. So we're going to enjoy as much as we can. You'd have seen that last night we went to the Knife. Such a lovely atmosphere in there. The ambience was great. Very, very, very busy. I think that must be the best place to go out of the 6 or 7 restaurants that there is. We might try and book again. I would say my burger was huge. It was so nice. And Dave's, he enjoyed it, but he likes his meat to be medium rare, and that came out charcoal. Even the jacket potato was really black. But the Knife, we showed you the Knife, what looked great, wasn't sharp enough, but it's not a big deal. Like I said, we want to go back. So today, going to go down for breakfast, and I think we're going to have a beach day. We need to get his tans topped up, and hopefully look when we get back home that we've been away. And that beach is gorgeous. So we will bring you along. Like I said, don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and look out for some more of these episodes. We've got another week yet, so I'm pretty sure you'll see us again. So we've just got back from breakfast, and we will probably be heading down to the beach area, which is just there. So where this turquoise water is, that's where it's like a lagoon, what the man-made lagoon I think it is, and there was a lot of marine life there the other day. So today we're going to go in, take my snorkeling gear and my GoPro, and hopefully catch some lovely marine life. The weather's looking great today. We're going to spend probably all day there. The restaurant is just behind me somewhere, so it's literally walk along there and the restaurant's there. and you can, oh, and the massage place is just there. So everything is nearby, even though it's a large resort. So tonight we are going to go for our Japanese restaurant. I think it's on the grand side, so a bit of a walk, but never mind. We need it with all the food we're having. So the Japanese restaurant is like puts on a show. I'm going to bring my camera along. Anything exciting happens, then obviously I will show you. And then we're going to just probably head to the shops, buy a few souvenirs, and I think there's a sports bar there. So we will probably have a sports bar night, a couple more drinks, and then head to bed. Like I say, I will bring you along, and if anything exciting or interesting happens, you'll know about it. So we'll see you later. Bye. So we were going to the beach and then we ended up Dave finding the bar. So we get in his cups what are insulated or filled up, and then we're going to head down to the beach. I'll tell you, it's a nice hot one today. If you'd seen my Maldives vlogs, I was whinging all the time, it was really hot. This is a nice hot, a hot that I can stand. So we're just going down there. Oh. What are you checking out? Oh, the drink? Yeah. Yeah, believe it or not, they are virgin ones today, aren't they? No alcohol.
If the alcohol was in it, it would be much stuff, you know? Yeah, man.
That smells like
You're gonna start, hey, let me tell you something. You can't drink all day if you don't start in the morning. Yeah, man.
Just been snorkeling, seen loads of fish, puffer fish. I think that's about it now for snorkeling. I think I've overdone it. And today is a couple of days before this tropical depression is going to hit, and we can feel the weather changing a little bit. I'll try and tell you to put you around this side. These rocks here, they are a natural defence, I think. Okay, not natural, man-made defence. So we've got this little lagoon where we've had some brilliant snorkeling. We've been here a week now and we've not seen no waves at all, but now all we keep seeing is the waves crashing on them. And if you look up there, it's kind of black clouds. So what we'll do is keep you updated on what's going to happen. So I'll see you later. How you doing? You're asleep. No, you're alright, thank you. Rastaman. Hell yeah, they want some Rastaman goodies.
2 hours later.
We've found another bar, haven't you, Dave? Found another bar.
Yeah.
This must be a sports bar. So we're here at the sports bar. And my hair is like straw with it being in the sea, but hey, I don't care. So, bartender's making us a cocktail and we haven't got a clue what it is.
You're asleep.
Rebecca, you what? I feel like you're asleep. Hey.
Let's go.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, man, respect.
There you go. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hang on. Cheers. Oh, that's refreshing. I know. Lovely. Yay.
Call that one the green design. It's my bartender special.
Thank you.
Like a luxury party, because the luxury party don't stop. Everybody put your hands in the air right now, put your hands in the air. Put your hands.
Well, it's about 5:30 now, and the party is well and truly going. Just here, we just had a phone party about 3 o'clock, went on till about 5. It was crazy, absolutely crazy. And the music was so loud, no chance for a siesta in the afternoon. So, and if you look, there's still quite a few people in the pool, around the pool bar, swim up bar, having an amazing time. The atmosphere is party. I don't know if it's because it's Friday night or what. Anyway, so it's really early for us dinner reservation, but we're off to the Japanese restaurant, and obviously we will bring you along and show you what happens, and just watch them enjoying the party.
One down. 2 down. 3 and 4 down. 3. Yeah, man. All right. Alright, so you can't be cooking and don't put some heart in it. You have to put some love in what you do. And you know the heart represents love. That means I'm cooking from my heart with a lot of love. Straight from the heart. Chicken in your beef. And later on I'm going to make 3 volunteers to catch a flying chicken. So think about it. Okay? So we do it. Boodum, 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 boodum. Thank you. But guess what? I'm not going to break the heart. No, I'm not going to break the heart. But that was
Chicken.
All right, your second shot now. The first one was a test. 3, 2, 1.
That's the flying chicken.
Deep fried ice cream.
6 of them. Big family, that's fine, right?
Okay, yes, definitely.
Yeah.
Christmas, let's get wild.
Go on then, verdict. Dave always pulls a face to start with. Interesting? Yeah?
It's different.
That's what you always say when you think. Oh, David, that is disgusting. Do you want to sit and watch it? Look at Dave, he's like, oh, what is it? What is it? Nearly at end. Yeah. So we just had a meal at Japanese and it was fantastic. So this is what greeted us. It's a turn down service. So they've turned the beds down. I think they've cleaned us towels, changed us towels and everything. She's left the fan on though. That frightened us to death the other day, didn't it? 'Cause we could hear this clicking. We thought there was somebody on balcony. It's a nice little touch, and it smells gorgeous in here.
Bye-bye.